Hello friends, I am VM. Today I am going to show you gCMob application, new notification and update. Okay, let's start the video. You see on screen notification, dear gCMob user, gCMob tap watch video if you are updating the new gCMob app and need to import local device, the device manager list from gCMob. This video show you how to export the local device list from gCMob and then import the list into gCMob. This procedure applies to those users not utilizing the online login account. Okay, how to sign in? Tap on gCMob, tap on more, tap on sign in. This is testing account, test admin. Type here password, tap on sign in. Okay, this is sign in process complete. How to add device? Okay, tap on add device, scan QR from there, tap on next, select here wide camera, type here username and password, tap on save. You see camera is on screen. Tap on playback to check video recording to slide this time scale. How to create device card? Tap on back, tap on back. Okay, tap on more, tap on export device, select all device. Okay to create password, cancel to without password. Okay, tap on save to album.